guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to make my morning smoothie. This is something that is so easy to make in the morning and I just absolutely love doing it. I did a similar smoothie a couple months ago, my copycat Jamba Juice smoothie, that I will leave in the description box down below. So far I have used a cup of ice, a whole banana, and now I'm using some natural peanut butter. I got this peanut butter from Walmart. Typically at home I use the Adams brand, which has the oil at the top. I believe it's organic. It's very expensive for peanut butter, and I don't really know a big difference. So I used about a spoonful and a half of this peanut butter. Now I'm using some Lactaid milk. I have to use Lactaid milk because I am lactose intolerant, and I just pour to where I think would be the consistency that I want. And I'm using some chocolate syrup. I needed chocolate milk, but I didn't want to buy Lactaid chocolate milk, so I made my own. And of course, I'm using a scoop of my greens from Teami Blends, which will make the entire smoothie turn green, but it has a wonderful taste. If you're not a huge matcha fan but want to get some super blends in your diet, I highly suggest adding things like banana or peanut butter because it totally masks the taste of matcha. I cannot taste it in the smoothie whatsoever. If you are wanting to use Teami Blends, please use the code GILES15 for 15% off your entire order of $29.99 and above. This is also another product that I have from Teami Blends, which is this super cute 20-ounce Teami tumbler. I got this in a baby blue, and here is a cinematic view of me pouring my smoothie in. It says my husband because he filmed this video for me today, and we are going to get going with this smoothie. Now this one in particular is pretty helpful because we are leaving North Carolina and going on a 12-hour road trip from North Carolina to Arkansas. And as I said in my previous video showing Teami Blends, they have that secret little compartment at the bottom where you just unscrew and you can put vitamins or pills. For me, I have motion sickness and I get lots of headaches, so I had to take some Tylenol. Now here are some quick little views of our short little trip from North Carolina to Arkansas, which we'll be staying for a couple of weeks. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.